Hello kids, welcome back in our new video, and today we are going to make a simple tricolor flag for an Independence Day. So let's get started. First I will pick my scale or a ruler and draw a straight line to make a flag. So this way, a line and one more line parallel to it. So this way. Now at the bottom I will draw one small line, then one line parallel and bigger to it, and then one more line little big to it. So this way. And now I will give the shape like this. Coming towards the top, here I will make one circle and then one more circle and a thread like this. Okay. Now the next step is to make a flag. So for that I am picking my scale. Now here you can even draw with your hands or with the help of your scale as you want. As you can see in my image, here I had made the flag which is little bit like flowing, and here I'm making a simple one because I want to show you that you can make it by your own imagination. It's not like you have to copy me. So just show your creativity, your imagination, and try to make by your own. So this way the flag is done. Now the next step is to add a little grass over here. So for that I'm giving a shape like this, simple, and on top of it a little wavy kind of. So this way it's done. Now it's time to fill colors in it. So for that, first I'm pick my saffron color. The first step I am going to fill the colors in the flag. So this way, the saffron, white, and then green. So here saffron is done. Now a green. So this way, green, and then with the help of blue in the center. As you have seen in the center, it's a view. So this way it's done. Now coming towards bottom, first I will fill with the light green shade here to give the effect of a grass, and on top of it I will give the shading with the darker green. So this way you can give shading wherever you want. First do the base with the light colors and then try to give shade with the darker colors. So here it's done, and same in this part also. I am making very simple for you so that you all can make with me. It's a very simple one. Just you need to make some shapes, patterns, and your artwork is complete with a tricolor flag. So here even you can add balloons here or a bird's hair, anything. See, after this a little shading with the darker crayon. The shading like this, and some in the down part on the edges of my artwork. So this way the shading part is done. Now coming to the stand, what I am going to do, I will pick a brown shade and cover this shade, and similarly in the down part. Here it's done. Now the end, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little blue kind of sky with the help of little light blue color. I'm going to give a effect and covering all the white part with the same crayon. So this way you can also cover it. Going very slow, and don't put pressure, otherwise the strokes will be visible. So this way, very slowly, I had covered the white portion with the light blue crayon. And here I am going to make a small sun with the help of orange and a rays coming out of it like this, and highlighting it with yellow, and then do little yellow in the upper part so that it gives a look of a morning this way. So it's done. Now the last step is that if you love the art, please do write that I love KidsNagri. Now we will see you in the next video. Till then, keep creating, keep coloring, and keep making your artwork look beautiful. Bye bye. See you in the next video.